If you're someone who's always on the hunt for a versatile eyeliner that can do it all, be thick, thin, or ultra fine, then the Estee Lauder Little Black Liner might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Whether you're aiming for a bold cat eye, a sleek wing, or a subtle line to define your lashes, this product promises to deliver the precision you need. Let's take a closer look at this waterproof liquid eyeliner and see if it truly lives up to the hype. Now, the first thing I want to mention is how incredibly easy it is to use. The pen design is both sleek and ergonomic, allowing for a steady hand even on those early mornings when you're in a rush. It glides on smoothly without tugging, and the color payoff is instant. We're talking about deep, rich onyx black, which gives that classic, dramatic eyeliner effect we all love. And the matte finish? It's the kind of look that never feels too glossy or overdone. Just pure, elegant definition. I've been using it daily, and I must say, it holds up impressively well throughout the day. Now, we all know that liquid eyeliners can sometimes be a little unpredictable when it comes to wear, but this one doesn't budge. It truly lives up to its long wear claim, staying intact even in humid conditions or after a few hours of wear. The waterproof factor is a major plus, especially for anyone who's prone to oily eyelids or needs something that'll hold up in all weather conditions. Now, on the flip side, I did find that it took a bit more effort to remove than some of my other liners. It's not a big deal if you're using a good makeup remover, but it's something to keep in mind if you're someone who prefers an easy cleanup at the end of the day. As for the thickness, you've got full control. The fine tip of the liner pen allows for a precise, delicate line, while the formula itself builds up beautifully if you want to make it bolder. Whether you want to create a dramatic wing or a subtle, tight line effect, this eyeliner has you covered. Speaking of value, it's certainly on the pricier side, but considering how well it performs and the versatility it offers, the price feels justified. The staying power and ease of use make it a worthy investment if you're someone who values both precision and long-lasting wear. There are alternatives in the market, but what sets this one apart is its consistency. Some liners out there can be tricky to work with, especially when you're trying to get that fine, perfect line. The Estee Lauder Little Black Liner makes it easy to achieve whatever look you're going for without having to redo your eyeliner halfway through the day. One thing I want to mention is that if you're not into makeup that stays put no matter what, or if you prefer something easier to remove at the end of the day, this might not be the right fit. But if you're looking for something that you can rely on to stay put all day and night, I would definitely recommend it. And if you've tried this eyeliner, I'd love to hear about your experience. Did it live up to your expectations? Drop a comment below and let's get a conversation going. As always, thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find us too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.